Amazon PPC works like a triangle with three connected sides: cost per click, conversion rate, product margin. All three determine advertising profitability. If CPC increases, profitability decreases. If conversion rate improves, advertising becomes cheaper. If product margin increases, you can spend more on advertising. Successful sellers constantly balance these three factors. Now let us understand why knowing this concept is extremely helpful for Amazon sellers. When sellers understand the relationship between these three variables, it becomes much easier to identify why an advertising campaign is performing well or poorly. Instead of guessing what the problem might be, sellers can analyze each side of the triangle to find the real cause. For example, if advertising costs suddenly increase, the problem may be coming from the cost per click side of the triangle. This might mean that keyword competition has increased or that bids are set too high. If many people click the advertisement but very few people purchase the product, the issue may come from the conversion rate side of the triangle. In this situation, the seller may need to improve the product listing by adding better images, improving the product title, adjusting the price, or building more reviews. In other cases, the challenge may come from the product margin side. If the product margin is too small, even a reasonably performing advertising campaign may still struggle to remain profitable. Understanding this triangle helps sellers quickly diagnose advertising problems and take the correct action. Instead of making random changes, sellers can focus on improving the specific area that is affecting profitability. For example, they may lower bids to reduce cost per click, improve the product listing to increase conversion rate, or reconsider product pricing and cost structure to improve margins. In simple terms, the PPC triangle helps sellers think more strategically about advertising. It provides a clear framework for understanding how Amazon advertising works and how to keep campaigns profitable while scaling sales.